Splitting documents is super easy in DocuSign, so keep watching this video to learn how. So there's a lot of scenarios where you might need to split your documents. Say the other agent has emailed you the contract back signed, but they've attached the counteroffer and it's all in one document. Or you've downloaded the associated docs from the MLS and they're all one big PDF. So I'm going to show you how you can split those. So for this scenario, I'm going to click the add button in the top right, and I'm selecting computer because I'm going to upload a document from my computer. You can also email them into your room. So I've got another video that shows you how to do that. So if the agent has emailed you something, you could do it that way. Or if you downloaded the documents from the MLS, then you're probably uploading them from your computer. So for this scenario, I'm clicking computer. And in my downloads, I've just got a purchase and sale encounter that I've just got as one PDF that I'm going to use. So that's going to upload it into the room. And it shows up down here at the bottom. So what I want to do is I want to click on it to open it. Then in the top right corner, the first option that I see is a little piece of paper with the corner folded. And if you hover it, it says document actions. So I'm going to click that. And my third option down is split. So what you'll see here is on the left side where you're naming the documents, and then on the right side, you're seeing a little snapshot of each page of the forms. And if you can't really tell exactly which one's which, if you do hover over it, it's going to be like a magnifying glass on it. So I can see that this is a counter offer here. So what I have is page 1 is the counter offer, and then 2 through 11 is the purchase and sale. So this scenario, I've only got 2 documents that I'm going to make out of this, but sometimes you might have 5 or 6 or even more. And so what you're going to do on the left is I'm going to do new document name. And I'm just going to type counter offer 1. And then in the page numbers here, I can either type a 1 for the page, or you'll see on the right side, it's going to show up blue. Or if I don't do that, I can simply click page 1 over here. Then I want to add a document. This one, I'm going to say it's a purchase and sale. So here I can type 2-11. That's going to say pages 2 through 11. And you'll see on the right, it's highlighting them in blue. So it's so much easier to do it this way without messing it up. I know in Dotloop you have to keep scrolling and figuring out what page number you're on. And then sometimes if you realize there's 6 documents instead of 5, you change it and it resets the numbers. So it's much more foolproof here. So I can also delete the 2 through 11, and I could come and I could just keep clicking them. So if it's something that's 2 or 3 pages, it might be easy to do it that way. Or if, like in this case, this is the last document that in my split here, there's 3 dots to the right of that text box. And if I click it, it says add remaining pages. So I click that and it selects the remainder of them. So a couple different ways you can go about that. Just, depends on how many documents you have, what's easier to do. But then all you're going to do is click save in the top right. It's going to save your 2 split documents. So here I have purchase and sale agreement, which I added, and then I have counter offer 1. And you'll notice my original's still here. So if I had split them and then I realized I messed up, I could start over with that. I don't have to re-upload it, but I can also come and go hover over it and click that little checkbox up there. I don't need this anymore. I can archive it. I can actually also delete it. Any PDFs that you upload, you can fully delete from the room. So this one I'm going to click delete and it will be permanently deleted. So only do this for something that you know that you're not going to need back. So I don't need this one because I've got it split up here correctly. I'm going to click delete. And that is how you split documents in DocuSign.